generation, they keep adding more and more salt.
Until their tongues can't even taste true flavors anymore.
We must save his sense of taste
And his health!
Tang Yan, we are your ancestors.
Honor your tongue for 3 weeks, and you will rediscover true flavors.
Take less salt for 3 weeks. Save your sense of taste!
Wait, I go get pink salt.
Hey, bro.
How?
Look for the healthier choice.
I go take more sauce.
Hey, water doesn't flush out excess salt, okay?
Too much sauce equals too much salt.
The tanginess of the tomatoes. The sweetness of the fish.
He has regained his true sense of taste.
His healthy glow.
It's finally coming back.
True flavors live again!